What's up guys, welcome to BudgetTECHph, and today we're gonna test the Vivo Y81i on games like PUBG, NBA 2K19, and everyone's favorite, Mobile Legends. Okay guys, just to summarize its performance, on PUBG you can enjoy the game using the default settings, which is the graphics is set to smooth and the frame rate is set to medium. But when we change the graphics settings to balance and frame rate to low, for some reason we experience a little lag. But I don't think that will affect your gameplay. And going to NBA 2K19, I think the only settings that you can enjoy this game is using the ultra low. Maybe you can push it to low, but anything higher than that, definitely you're gonna experience a lot of lag and you're not gonna enjoy the game. So you might want to consider that before buying and installing NBA 2K19 on this phone. And lastly, for the Mobile Legends, okay, definitely you're gonna enjoy the game all throughout without any lag, even if you use the highest settings. So that's it guys for our gaming test for the Vivo Y81i. And if you guys have a gadget in mind that you want us to unbox, review, comment down below, let us know. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.